What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be the part 2 of the headliner recover. Yes, that's right. It finally showed up. Looky there. That is a nice black headliner. It's got the nice little foam backing on it. This actually showed up yesterday towards the end of the day, and I couldn't be happier, even though it was supposed to be here about a week ago. So as you can see, the surface is ready. I got a new blade set up. Got the cameras going here. What else I got here is the Super 77 3M glue. I got 3 cans because they're about, I think they're about $10 or $12 a piece at Ace Hardware. So that should be plenty to cover this whole thing. And then whatever remnants I have left, I'm going to try to do the visors. But right now, my main focus is getting this thing done. So we're going to get the camera set up. I'll get a little helper out here to help me lay this down. This is a 2-person job because you don't want to lay everything down while it's tacked because you'll never be able to stretch it out and move it around. So my plan is to start down there and then work my way down here and then just work out all the folds and all the curves. And hopefully it'll go smoothly. But before we get started, I want to remind everybody, if you haven't seen the first video, check out the first video. For all the XJ fans out there, we are doing a giveaway. All you got to do, make sure you subscribe because it's easier for me to see like the names on there, because I'm going to take all the names that have commented that they want those, and I'm going to put them in. I found like an app that you can use. You put all the names in and it'll randomly select somebody at random and you could be the winner. So make sure you do that. It's in the video. It's the part 1 of doing this headliner. The free giveaway and the headliner, it's all in the title, so you shouldn't miss it. But let's get started. I want to get this thing on, get this thing in there. And because I got to get the Jeep ready, get all my camp gear packed up, doing an oil change on the 4-wheeler as well. We are going turkey hunting. Yeah, let's get started. What do you say? I'm gonna walk down here. Don't let it touch the board. unfold it.
How do I do that without having to touch the thing?
Come over to the side. Unfold it. Now walk back over. Okay, spread your arms out more so it doesn't touch. Okay. Ready?
This is quite the arm workout.
Just hold it up high.
This is quite the arm workout.
Sure is.
Please hurry putting this on.
All right, here's the final. all my holes. These were kind of hard just because of the way it's shaped, and with the foam on the back of this, it's hard to tell if the foam is sticking or if it's the contour, if it's good. But other than that, it looks really good, really clean. So I went really heavy with the glue, which I don't think is a bad thing. So other than that, it seems like it's really good in these smaller edges. Like it's really stuck in there good. So yeah, I like it. Looks good. I know there's probably some upholstery guys out there right now cringing watching this video, but I've never done it before, and I'm pretty happy. Looks pretty good. So I won't bore you with the old reinstallation video. I'll just get you guys a final shot when it's all done. But I got this roll off of Amazon. Wasn't too expensive. Glue wasn't too expensive. So for a nice cheap project, you can dress up your interior, make it look fresh again. Highly recommend. So we'll see what it looks like when it's all put back together. All right, so there you go. Everything's back in, and I gotta say, I like it. It's a lot better than the old brown, saggy, smelly headliner. But yeah, turned out really good. I'm very happy with it. Wasn't too terrible of a project to do if you are considering doing it yourself. All right, well, that's going to do it for this project. I bought 3 cans of the 3M Super 77. I actually only used almost 1 whole can, so the other 2 probably going back, or I might hang on to them for some kind of future project, who knows. I like it. I'm happy with it. It looks really good. It wasn't that expensive. I think the headliner itself was about $40 to $50, and then the cans of the glue I think were about $10 to $12. So this is something you can do, guys. If you got a small garage, big garage, I don't care. You improvise, you adapt. Look at this. I got a dog crate with an old door as a workbench right here, and I got it done. So make sure you get out there in your little garage, because you can do all sorts of projects like this. I am crammed in here. I got stuff all over the place. I got to do some cleaning. But that's going to do it for this video. If you haven't already, check out the last video. I am still doing the giveaway of the body armor plates. I got them right over here, all ready to go. Even got some stickers for you guys. So check out the other video, the first video to this one. Unfortunately, like I said, this is a 2-parter because shipping companies failed to get me my stuff on time. But that's just how it goes around here. You just kind of take it as it goes. But like I said, that's going to do it for this video. Make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you also subscribe. All the new subscribers, how you doing? Make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss a future episode. We're not done with this Jeep. We got many more projects for it. But as for right now, that's going to do it. I got to finish up the oil change on the four-wheeler. I got to get all this cleaned up, start inventorying all my stuff for my turkey hunting season coming up. But other than that, that's about it. We'll see you guys on the next video.